Welcome to Minded Academy. This is your 5-minute morning mindfulness practice. A simple way to begin your day with clarity, calm, and intention. Let's begin. Find a comfortable seat. Let your hands rest loosely. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe slowly out. Feel the weight of your body grounding you. Your feet touching the floor, your spine gently rising. Let the body be still. Now take 3 steady breaths, just like waves coming to shore. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more time. Inhale and exhale. Begin to notice your breath. Don't change it, just observe. Feel the coolness of the inhale, the warmth of the exhale. Feel your chest gently rising and falling. You're right here. There's nothing else to do, nothing to fix. Nowhere to be. This is your space. This is your moment. Now imagine a soft golden light above your head. With every breath, it gently flows down into you, warming your forehead, softening your face, relaxing your shoulders, filling your heart with light. The light is calm. This light is focus. This light is you. Let it flow down through your arms, your hands, your chest, your stomach, all the way down to your feet. Feel the body bathed in this light. You are calm. You are steady. You are ready. Silently repeat after me, or simply listen. I begin this day with calm and clarity. I carry peace with me. I trust myself to handle whatever comes. Today I move with purpose. Breathe that in. Let it settle. Bring awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in and let it go. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.